Hello, my wonderful people. How una dey? Hope say una dey fine. Yes, my people, I just come to drop just one or two facts and oil make we take and digest. Na your girl Monique dey here on board o, no shaking. My dear people, Brenda Show and the Bechela, that wahala no finish o. Another saga that wey dey come out 2300. My people, una just she done. Brenda Show do a video yesterday. Inside that video, I be capture a lot of things and I talk say I come back with my channel, can talk about them. Brenda Show talk say the Bechela don't talk lie about we name them. That talk when the Bechela talk about his sister na lie. Brenda Show talk say the Bechela go the talk for back say he want thief brown ambassador. Una say vex as they no put brand influencer. Brenda Show talk a lot of things and they like say the way the scene the Bechela the dodge the Brenda Show is saga because he know say if Brenda Show pala inside fee, you put his hands down for down. How na see the matter? Because the pala dey so Brenda Show the already she done top with that big waist, that fat buttocks. It don she done on top the Bechela. Brenda Show vex as they call Pepe name. He call to Queen Mother for aside talk for Queen Mother, talk about Queen Mother matter. So I go the try for analyze them the way we always analyze and they get that money to analyze everything analyzable. Yes, my people, come and see the way people they be wicked for the way. I don't know why I'll call them wicked or na envy. I don't know what I'll call and say na hatred or na bias, because you know fish you don't you and your friend. Ma give example. I always give one talks and give example. Me and Lady B will be very good friends. Then we talk a lot. We talk go to extents. We talk about families. We talk. That means we make plans in life. Me and you can fall out after some small kind of thing. That one be understandable. But no be na me for escalate the matter me bat as he bat no. The Bechela do wrong. The Bechela if we just use that guilty conscience, she don't quiet because no. You the Bechela for he show it talk say when person do it bad, he get right for respond for the person as he like him. While you come for your channel, you caution. He can caution your mommy, caution your pikin, caution your dog, your fowl. He get right for do so because now he decide the punishment for give you. Brenda Show and the Bechela they don't get problem for this saga. As the saga the saga begin make Brenda Show can't get problem in and the Bechela. Brenda Show decide say no one will give him the Bechela. He going for a YouTube channel, go to do it in. Go to make it show. First video, and the Bechela vex for that video. Can reply Brenda Show. See, the Bechela, I tell you something. The Bechela no get monopoly of telling people their mind in mind. The Bechela, he talk in mind. He talk in mind anyhow. Even if they bring Brenda Show a matter, he talk in mind. But Brenda Show be get right for talking mind for that first video he make up. The Bechela come out for that video. Hey, you want to show the public say now you be good man or you want to show the public say now you be good man or you do this and that. You are all those people there they keep bring man. That means you don't already expose Brenda Show that first time. Say, hey, Brenda Show. Now you be my drone. Now you begin to do the one. Now you begin go on that fake profile insult Everly. Now you begin go on that fake profile insult Ndiveshela, Lady B. Now you begin go under fake profile insult Mother Hen. Now you begin go under fake profile insult Kobo. You did try to tell the public now so Brenda Show you bring out the bad aspect for Brenda Show because Brenda Show became the show a good aspect, a good attitude to people them around him. So Ndiveshela can talk so now when Brenda Show vex out of which he don't hear for social media about he the Ndiveshela how don't insult for back. He vex come mount camera and start talk plenty talk them. They talk them they not be easy but Ndiveshela even if now wait you don't talk yesterday for a show say you no want apologize for no man. That means say you don't give Brenda Show they go ahead for disgrace you and your die-hearted fans and your friends them for disgrace you and your mentor Sonia Eric for disgrace you and different people on their platform thereby trying to bring down Travel with Grandive. You give Brenda from West when me I see am for your talk yesterday. You give Brenda they go ahead for do what you want do. That means they try for tell you say get right for they do all these things. That means say from the West I see am, they say Ndiveshela like am as Brenda should expose all these people. If Ndiveshela want do something about the matter for Sonia Eric. If one do something about the matter for other friends them, for other people that they talk, in board of directors them, if you don't already do them, but he like I made they expose them. He like I made they talk about them. He like made they insult that people. Sometimes the be no, you as the mother of the house, whether you be radical mother, keep their radical mother for corner. Keep there on apologetic mode for corner. So far as you get people, they die for you, they surrender for you, they take gun, they shoot them because of you. You get right to stand by them. No can talk for your platform, say, may any man go your own site. You want go your own site. You don't care if they insult any man for you. Any man, no. That means you try for tell them, say, all their work, all their effort, for cover you with blankets. Make shame no come for your front. Now wastage of time. Now wastage of time. They don't get no right over you as friends. They don't get no right for talk for you as family. I mean say, now so, Ndiveshela don't confirm. Say na ye send Queen Mother in my class. Blim bangs them. May they gossip different people. In short, may they talk about different people then. Now you send them, may they insult different people on social media. Because they from the talk yesterday, he said from now onwards, he got to send a McLaren and say don't start another yesterday. He don't start another yesterday for the same Queen Mother for insult the people them. He not stand on that yesterday for if when Queen Mother talk anything against it, he go send it out, he go disown it. He not start na yesterday. Remember, say, now because of the matter for talk something where right and not right, where Dope Sierra in and Ndiveshela they get problem. Ma bring back una mind of 2020 March or April na March. Now April, if I'm not mistaken. March or maybe February, March, something like that. Where this Dope Sierra be mount camera say no one do negative blogging again. You know one insult people. He talk about Blanche belly. He picking. Grinders they be vex. Grinders they take it. They go for their Instagram. They insult it. They insult Dope Sierra. So they Dope Sierra vex. He come back and mount camera say no like all the kind of thing them. He no like a man pikin insult. He no be small pikin. He be get right because no insult it. You where you talk say Dope Sarah na chop chair, why you not be stand by Dope Sarah? Why you not be talk say no, we are not insult Dope Sarah? Make Dope Sarah na give Dope Sarah the chance, make it come for live show, can explain himself. Dope Sarah come for that live show, explain himself, but still yet, una no still believe Dope Sarah. Una see the insulty, una see the talk hard on it. If Dope Sarah not be mouth come and start insult Diveshela not for ever change for people that around you, especially blogger them. Diveshela not for the try by all means to capture the mind of the bloggers because he already knows a danger sign there. My people, hope so that they understand. So that the same thing we don't do yesterday. Blimbanks don't decide say you know one be for the matter again. Because the way when Blimbanks talk, it shows say Blimbanks no one be for the matter again. So I beg. If not for try for talk with your board of directors, I don't even tell you things for do because now you start saying now you be the sovereign queen or king for your own kingdom. But not the insult or not the talk about humiliate your own people then so you will get less friends then. Better talk for them for back. Insult them for back. Cover them for public. Brenda showed us sacrifice a lot for Diveshela. I am a witness. That's how I deal with you. Brenda showed us sacrifice a lot. Not be the way this will go about them. Even as Brenda show maybe be 40, say no answer your call. He can back and back, insult you now for social media. You get right for call you back for back. You get Brenda show your number. Send you voice message them. Insult you. Talk for you. Brenda show. If for one the hot so that time when you call if for cool down. If you for use wisdom for the matter. So the matter, they don't talk say 1,500 years. That's 1,500 years. Your matter, you and Brenda show, you know, will stop. You don't go so you don't start insult Brenda show his sister, his mommy, his sister picking them. So I not see the reason why. Coming again, my people with Delicia matter. Delicia they get right for PD Delicia. I don't allow una they get right for PD. Delicia ni Congosa. Delicia ni Congosa all man in name. You don't Congosa Brenda show. You don't Congosa Diveshela. You don't Congosa Lady B. You don't Congosa Kobos. You don't Congosa Baba. Which man they way Delicia never Congosa and way they corner ye. Delicia not Congosa all man in name. I need to talk good about you. It bring you a bad aspect them with different people them. It bring a bad aspect with different people them. Baba get right for talking that you go talk for Diveshela by or now you go talk about their family for Diveshela because he know you the Congosa bats. Play day you just talk story for 19,200. Otin, tell me how Kobos the thief. Tell me how Baba get only for day that how many minutes me and you talk inside 2 hours when me and you talk, you don't already talk all thing about Kobo their family. How you know go do do how Diveshela no go do do understand say all the thing they already talk so they keep them because Diveshela wise. How Baba no do understand say all the thing where you Diveshela the talk so now you the tell them. How Baba no do understand that one. How Kobos no do know say now you the tell them. Me I know say now you go don't talk for Diveshela because you mop the past like train. Keep your mouth shut. No the enter people their import. You too talk. You too like one for being relevant for all sides. Yes, my people, Delicia, it matter for yesterday. Delicia, how you feel when they call different people them for that platform there you go like, hey, that time they begin call me and Lady B. You go laugh something. They tell me funny me, you go no bother. They tell me funny me now while I be laugh. Yes, you provoke we, but you be close to we. Only for 2 hours, maybe me and you talk. You don't talk about Brenda show, talk about Lady B, talk about Odima, talk about Baba their family, Kobo's their family. Talk about all them their family. How you know do be na say na you don't go there. The vegeta, even if you not tell it direct, only that small talk they talk. Yes, come on, na so the day na politician people, even your papa na so they hi the vegeta no do the record, you know do the take and down. Change, mommy, change is a substance. Change is a substance. Change. My people, now all this what I get am for na today. Now see your girl, I still remain humble. Time Monique.